There we go, around the leaves. Woo! Artificial intelligence telling me I'm not doing a good enough job of cleaning the windshield. Okay, pretty good. Had another Tesla driver looking at me here in the merging lane. All right, nice job there with that 180. And we got beeped at by a Tesla driver. Construction equipment here in the right lane. One cone that's way out here. Oh, where is it going? So if you see the blue circle, that means autopilot is driving. I am just here supervising. I do have my hands on the wheel and my eyes on the road. Hey guys, Sean here from Tesla Family. I just installed Tesla's full self-driving beta 10.6.1 following my first week and a half with version 10.5. In this video, I want to share both improvements in this latest update and situations that need more work to make for a more comfortable experience using full self-driving. I'll show you full self-driving versus leaves, parking lots, ramp metering on highways, roundabouts, turning lanes, and road construction. Let's go for a ride. Starting out with another test of full self-driving beta versus a leaf pile. First, I'll show you 10.5 from about a week and a half ago, and then 10.6.1. Here we go.
Now turn
Okay. Let's see if we can go around the leaves with 10.6.1. There we go, around the leaves. Woo! That was great. It didn't hit him. That's awesome. Here's another tricky area for full self-driving beta, staying right at this upcoming median. First, I'll show you 10.5 from about a week and a half ago, and then 10.6.1.
in 500 feet, turn left road. What's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing?
Just getting a little confused here. Okay, up here we had a problem before with
In 500 feet,
autopilot trying to choose which way to go. It's better, it's better. Before it would actually go over into the wrong lane, and it thought about it, but it veered back into the correct lane, which is good.
Now turn right on road.
All right, we're out testing beta 10.6.1, and first things first, you gotta go get some coffee, right, and some breakfast. So I'm at an intersection here in Gaithersburg, and Model 3 was creeping forward, and I don't know. Oh, and we're cleaning the windshield again. Amazing. Artificial intelligence telling me I'm not doing a good enough job of cleaning the windshield. Taking a left on a green arrow.
Village Avenue.
Okay, pretty good. Had another Tesla driver looking at me here in the merging lane. I wonder if he was thinking if whether or not I have the full self-driving beta while I was making erratic turns. Actually, the turn wasn't that erratic, but it did make a couple adjustments to the turning radius. And we're making a turn here.
Now turn right.
Right turn. Alright, there's two lanes to choose. It chooses the right lane. And then it does have to make a left up here, so it moves over into the left lane. We have a stop, and then a left-hand turn before we pulled up to the
Now your destination is on the right.
bagels shop. Creeping forward, checking for visibility. And and I guess it decides it wants to stop. That was weird. Not like that. Alright, we're gonna again navigate to the Gaithersburg Supercharger. Still pretty busy here. This is a Tuesday morning, 9:38 a.m. Only 2 stalls available. I want to try the roundabout that we had difficulty with when I first was trying out full self-driving beta 10.5. Now that I have 10.6.1, let's go ahead and give this another shot. This roundabout is tricky because zooming in here, we're coming into the roundabout. You go about halfway around and then you need to do a sharp 180 back the other direction. So you're almost doing an S pattern. Very difficult maneuver even for a human, but let's see how 10.6.1 does. Alright, nice job there with that 180. Out of the parking lot and onto the road, exiting the shopping area. Alright, very busy road here, and we're still around. It's still very much near rush hour, 9:43 a.m. Kind of getting on the back side of it. Rush hour around here goes till around 10 a.m. I believe. So there we go. We pulled out. Alright, we're slowing because this guy on his scooter came off the road and onto the sidewalk. I think most people probably wouldn't have slowed for that. Let's send that snapshot to Tesla. So if you see the blue circle, that means autopilot is driving. I am just here supervising. I do have my hands on the wheel and my eyes on the road. Tesla added a feature to full self-driving beta that makes sure that we are paying attention. If we get 3 forced autopilot disengagements or 3 strikes, then we're out. So definitely making sure to pay attention, as we should, while using full self-driving beta. Alright, we're getting ready to pull onto the Interstate I-270 South. With 10.5, well, that was cutting it pretty close here, person. With 10.5, Model 3 was yielding for a flashing yellow. Although maybe this time of day it's actually going to be red and green. We'll see how this works. Yeah, looks like we do have ramp metering. So this is different than before, where Model 3 had difficulty with flashing yellow. Now we actually have real ramp metering. So we'll see if Model 3 can handle this. We already have some people here who are being very impatient. Alright, so what we have here is we have red to green, red to green. They're metering the traffic onto the interstate. 1 vehicle per green each lane. Red, green. Go, 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 go. Okay. So that was a little interesting. We both pulled away, and it quickly went from 2 lanes to 1 lane. I don't know if I like that design, but Model 3 handled it. It did have to go over into the rumble strip, but that's better than crashing into another car. So here on the right we have lane metered traffic merging into our lane. We'll see how Model 3 handles this. We are trying to get over because we have an exit in half a mile. Okay, I'm okay with that. We're going into the roundabout. We're going to go 3/4 of the way around. This is a tricky one, though. It's a double lane roundabout, and we're trying to exit. Before I show you how 10.6.1 handled the roundabout, let's take a look at how 10.5 handled the roundabout on my first drive. And here is that traffic circle. I'm prepared to take over if I need to. There's a car behind me. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this car next to me is going to be taking a left into a store. So we're all set here rolling into the traffic circle. There is a yield. No traffic coming. We're slowing. We stopped. I'm letting it go. We get very angry people behind me, but it's going by itself.
Take the first exit.
I wonder why. Okay, so it's stopping. Go. And we get beeped at by a Tesla driver. And we should be able to exit.
Now turn
Okay, that wasn't too bad. That was good. Better than 10.5. And we're turning into the shopping area now. That was good. Much better than 10.5, although I don't like how it yields at... I think it yields too long coming into a traffic circle. Obviously, that's why we get beeped at again, but much better. Okay, on our trip back home, we're going to take another trip through the roundabout, and then we have some problems with left and right turns, merging, and road construction. We're going through the same roundabout again, but from a different entrance. Too slow to enter. I'm going to give it a little tap of the pedal, and we should be able to just roll right through here. Okay. Yeah, just too slow at the yielding for the traffic circles. Oh, this is not good. We're in the wrong lane. I'll give it a chance. Whew, what's going on here? We have some construction equipment here in the right lane. Guy's cleaning the highway. All right, good. No rocks thrown up on my car. That's good. gonna wait? All right, it's gonna wait. All right, I probably wouldn't have waited there. It's very slow, but there is a pedestrian too. I think it's watching. I'm not sure if it was confused by that car or that pedestrian who was hanging out right at the edge of the sidewalk. Look at these lanes. Woo! They are all out of skew. Model 3 did all right with it. The lane marking there. Yeah, that's not good. Model 3 should have stayed in the right-hand lane there. Almost got cut off by a car coming down the ramp real fast.
Stop Montgomery Village Avenue for 1.9 miles.
All right, let's see here. We do have the construction equipment between here and my adjusted point. Model 3 was taking me on a quicker route to that grocery store, and I decided that wasn't the way I want to go because I do want to see how it handles this construction equipment road work coming up. They're actually grinding and repaving one lane of the roadway, the right lane. All right, road construction coming up in the right lane. Let's see if Full Self-Driving Beta can handle moving over to the left lane without getting too close to any cones here. I'm going to slow it down just to give it a little extra time to think. It should move over, it should move over, come on. Slowing, changing away from cones, that's good. All right, that's a little unsteady. Okay, it did it, but it's a little harsh here. Okay, we're trying to stay away from the cones here. There's a cone. Oof. One cone that's way out here. Oh, where is it going? That wasn't good. We didn't want that to happen. So I had to take over. I don't know why Model 3 decided to take a left right there. Not a good thing. So I took over. So a little more work with 10.6.1 on construction, going around cones and such. I'd like to see more work on that. We did send notification to Tesla, so hopefully future software updates will be fixed. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave some comments below if you have questions. Otherwise, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content on Tesla Full Self-Driving, or even all of my Tesla solar videos. Over 30 Tesla solar videos, solar and Powerwall videos on my solar and Powerwall playlist. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Family Channel here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos as well. Also, follow us on Twitter @TeslaFamilyChan. Use my referral code to buy Tesla solar roof or solar panels. You'll get a reward after system activation.